Full-size, collapsible beach rocking chair folds compact into included large mouth carry bag. Outdoor rocking chair. Featuring a structured sling-style seat and UPF 50 SunShade canopy, this portable folding chair quickly and easily folds up for simple storage and transportation. Spring action rocking technology, rock on any surface. Quality construction. Constructed from sturdy powder-coated steel, this foldable chair frame supports up to 250 pounds and includes a side phone pocket and beverage holder. Adjustable, UPF 50 SunShade. Top reviews from the United States. Comfortable camping rocker chair. I really like this chair since I can rock if I want or just kick back and relax. I have a camping stool to put my feet up and make it a lounger. When I read reviews, someone mentioned the SunShade part wasn't as sturdy. I think it is the way in which you grab to expand it that might make a difference. I enjoyed mine on a camping trip. Love the pocket on one side. Would recommend.